Hi, my name is Yeshua Ivan Francisco. Today we're gonna do our performance task in mathematics. We will recite skipping numbers. Let's start with 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Next is 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Next it's 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Next it's 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Last is 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We're done reciting skipping numbers. I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.